Hello, today I would like to present you how to update firmware on your Panasonic 4K action camera, model number HX-A500. It is absolutely beautiful piece of technology, and that's because of that unique design that we've got separated camera from the recorder and battery body. So the first step with the updating firmware is checking your current version. So let's activate our camera and let's go into our settings. So we go into the menu, into the setup, we go into the version display, we click here, and as you can see, we've got the firmware 1.0. This is extremely old. The current version is 1.3, and I deeply believe we are not going to get any software updates beyond that. I will link the firmware version to download from my personal page, but first try to download it from the official Panasonic site, just in case there will be a newer one. Since most likely I've got some recordings inside that I do not need, my first step is going to be erasing our memory card. So we go into the menu, we go into our format, which is format media. Of course, it's going to be erasing all content of the memory card. So we go like this and we nicely formatting it. So I will get a clean card without anything. As it's finished, we are going to be powering off our device. We are going to be opening that weatherproof flap, and we are going to be removing our memory card. First, we go to official Panasonic website that will allow us to download latest firmware, and on top you can find the URL. I highly advise you to check it first prior to downloading from my page, and that's because they might be a newer release. Then we scroll to the bottom and we hit agree just for the user agreement. I will download the Mac version, and that's because it is just zip archive, and I will extract it by myself. And as you can see, we are nicely downloading it. As you can see, our download is completed. We go to our downloads folder, and here is our firmware. I will right click it and go with the extract. Then I will open our new folder, and that file is our actual update package that we need to transfer to our memory card. So let me grab my memory card and insert it to the reader. As you can see, our memory card appear on screen, and I will grab the update file and just drag and drop it to make our copy. And it is stored in the root directory of our memory card, just like that. And I will right click it and eject to make sure it is properly written. And I can remove my memory card and insert it into our camera. With beautiful card that contain our firmware, we are going to be inserting it into our camera, just like that. We are going to be locking our weatherproof flap, and we are going to be securing it. Then we power on our camera, just like that. We go into the menu, we go into our settings, we go here, and we need to go to the version upgrade. We confirm it, and we should detect our firmware update and start the upgrade process. As you can see, we've got the version 1.0, and we are going to be get 1.3 afterwards. On bottom on our soft keys, we've got the return or enter, so I will move to the enter and I will confirm it. We've got the second confirmation, we go to the yes. And it's working, and it's important that we should get like a full battery and it will not fail in the middle. But as you can see, the process is pretty fast, as you can see. So let's take a look at it. As you can see, our update is successfully finished. We hit OK, and I will power it down. I will power it up. And we are going to be taking a look, did we get our update successful? So we go to the menu, we go to the version, display, and as you can see, we've got 1.3. I will go exit, and to make sure that I remove our firmware update from the memory card, I will go to the setup, and we are going to be formatting our memory card, just like that. And we are ready to do recording, as you can see. And let's make sure everything is working fine. I will start recording, and we are going to transfer ourselves into that camera, and we are going to be taking a look at this absolutely beautiful Motorola Ion. Just take a look how beautifully it's presenting. And we are recording on our Panasonic Action Cam. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. I hope see you next time, and bye bye.